Welcome back to Car Stuff. Doing a update on the MG 1100. This is Jesse. Probably gonna always be the same person. So I've been working on the MG 1100 today and yesterday, and I've managed to vacuum out a bunch of the mouse crap, and I removed this. There was this cooler thing. I don't know what it was for, but it was up in here and hung out in there, so I got that out of there today. And then yesterday I managed to, well, what was it? Day after I got this thing, I managed to get this door open. I used a broom to flip this open, got this open, and then I was able to hold that up and then pull. And it didn't want to come, but it finally did. And so I was able to get that open. And then yesterday I cleaned up the front passenger footwell, removed the seat, which is over here, and there was this weird blanket thing back here. Removed that and then vacuumed all under there and on top of the hump there. And then I was looking at this seat, and I don't see how this actually attaches to the car. I can't imagine this thing's just flying loose in there. I mean, there's this part which looks like it's for adjusting the position of the seat, and there's clearly something missing from there, but I don't know what it is. There are holes here and here. Maybe it bolts it down, and there's this. I think this might be for seat belts. I have no idea, but I did try to put some weight on this floor panel, and it's pretty loose, or weak. It's pretty weak. It started to move. It like flexes, and I don't think that's supposed to do that. Yeah, this one flexes too. I don't know if that's normal. This is my first BMC product, specifically an MG, so who knows. Maybe I'll get people actually watching this and somebody who knows can answer. But yeah, so I'm slowly making progress cleaning this thing up. It is super rough. It's all rusty up there, and I'm missing a lot of the interior is all jacked up. I don't know how much of this is salvageable, but yeah, so that's the latest update on the MG 1100 project. Take it easy, and I'll try and post soon.